fucking dog just bit me. You won't have to take care of it next time. I will.
You killed my dog? I swear.
To incredibly dominant deer fighting bikers as if they're debuting in their first street fight. These are the times when bikers either become heroes and save animals, or when those same animals become their biggest threat. You haven't seen anything like this. Prepare for the craziest biker versus animal road incidents ever filmed. A peaceful ride through the woods turns terrifying when these bikers suddenly encounter a deadly beast. Watch the chaos erupt when a biker is attacked by a group of stray dogs. The situation escalates so quickly that she completely loses control of her own dogs during the fight.
Okay. Get your dogs off me! Get your dogs off me! Jesus Christ!
It's not them, it's the puppies!
You gotta get control of these dogs!
Come here. Just hit me. Get off.
Stop it!
Ow.
Get off. No, stop getting.
While exploring, this biker was chased by a dog. Thinking he had escaped, he was then ambushed by an entire brotherhood of dogs.
Oh, snap. Why is there a lot of dogs coming? No! No!
Get the away from me. Your dog just bit me. What? Like, off when it runs out in front of me? Sit here and tell y'all to get your things on a leash law.
Whoa!
A deer suddenly crashes into this bike out of nowhere.
Oh shit, a fucking deer! Shit, a fucking deer! Oh my god! Damn! I hit the fucking deer. My bike is fucked.
The same terrifying collision happens to this biker, but luckily, the deer managed to survive.
Shit.
Okay?
Oh,
That's scary.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
These deer seriously need to watch where they're going. Watch a similar collision happen to this biker. Get ready, guys, because these next clips showcase true heroism.
Je sais pas. Moi je le prends ici, mais malheureusement je suis allergique. Mais bon, je peux pas le laisser là. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a, mon petit loulou? Viens.
While both showed love to the kitten, the biker, after hearing the elderly man share the painful story of losing his beloved wife, compassionately gave the kitten to him.
Vous allez le prendre? Oh, merci beaucoup, monsieur. Il s'est accroché. Doucement.
Another rescue mission begins. Coincidentally, this biker runs out of gas and discovers a stranded dog in the middle of the street. Watch how this situation dramatically unfolds.
Hi! I'm gonna find out where this dog lives, because he should not be out here. What's your name? Al. Hey, Al. Hi. Alright, what's the number say? I'm about to call these people up. Yo, Al, you better answer your phone. Oh. They hung up! Your owner just hung up on me. How does that make you feel? Hey there.
Hello, this is Al.
Hey, Al, I have your dog.
What?
I have your dog.
How do you have my dog?
He was out in the middle of the road, so I pulled over and, yeah. Or she, I guess she, Gemma.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll be right over there.
Alright. So is this your dog, or? Oh, okay. Oh, I think I called your husband.
Okay, bikers, let's take a quick break. If you're enjoying these videos, please consider becoming a Valdoo subscriber. As this channel is brand new, every like and subscription helps push our videos to a wider audience. Want to be featured in a future compilation? Just email me at the address provided below. Anyways, let's get back to the action. Get ready to witness a true hero. Watch as this biker bravely saves a snapping tortoise from danger. Another biker faces the same danger, saving a tortoise from a busy road just before it could be crashed into pieces. No one saw this coming. This deer wasn't backing down and decided to square off with the biker. Let me know in the comments. Who do you think wins this fight, the deer or the biker?
Pull up! Pull up! Oh! Pull up!
Watch carefully. If you blink, you might just miss it.
Holy! Oh my God! Oh my God! I just got hit by a deer. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I just got smoked by a deer.
This horse was in dire peril. If this biker hadn't shown up, it might have been the horse's last day on this planet.
But What? Hold on. Чижно. Ayol. Спасли мы коняшку. Come on, man. There you go. 。
This biker was attacked, and his loyal dog bravely tried to protect him. Realizing his dog was outnumbered, the biker then pulled out his special gadget. All right, Valdoo fans, that's a wrap for today. Instead of asking you to subscribe, I'd love to hear your ideas for our next upload. Comment below now with your suggestions. The comment with the most likes will be chosen for the next video. Thanks, and bye.